Hello. So, di ba, dahil matagal tayo hindi nagkita, I decided to just make a video, no, about our lesson. It's all about routing, no. So, first of all, know what is IP address and how important it is in network. So, IP address, or Internet Protocol Address, is a unique set of numbers assigned to each device. I'm sure alam nyo naman na to. Connected to a network, to devices to find and communicate with each other over the internet or a local network. So, the importance of an IP address in a network, ayan. First, may, dahil sa IP address na may kanya-kanyang o nagkakaroon ng sariling mga identification ang mga devices. Excuse. Okay? So, dahil kay IP address, we can route data. No? Nagkakaroon sila ng route. Alam nila yung pupuntahan nila. Alam nila yung alam natin saan galing ang data. Okay? Or kung saan siya pupunta. Okay? It goes both ways. Okay? Number 3, it facilitates connectivity because of IP address dahil nga may pagkakakilanlan ng mga devices na nagkakaroon tayo ng connectivity. Okay? So what is IP routing? It is the process that defines the shortest path for data to travel from source to destination. So there's two types of IP routing, which is static and RIP, or routing information protocol routing. So static versus RIP. So static, this is manually configured. Number 2, static has fixed paths. Number 3, static has simple but kind of like simple pero limited siya. Okay, so RIP naman, it is dynamic routing. It has distance vector protocol and suitable for large networks. Actually, yun, napakadaling gawin ng RIP, no? Pero mag-i-static tayo. Mano-mano talaga natin gagawin lahat. So, let's say, for example, sa ginawa ko dito, ayan, naka-indicate naman na may mga IP address. Okay. So, dito, kung bisa tayo dito sa router na to, makita nyo, yan, paano i-connect itong tala na to. So, kita nyo dyan, no? This is 192.168.1.1. Magsisilbing gateway din natin yan. Punta tayo kay router dito. Then, nakikita nyo, FA0 underscore 0 underscore tuloy /0. Okay? Punta tayo doon. Which is this one. Establish lang natin yan. So, ang IPv4 address natin for that is 192.168.1.1. Tama. So, ito siya. Then, ang subnet mask for 192, lagi nyo tandaan yan, ang first octet, that would be 255.255.255.0. Okay? So, ayan siya. So, establish na natin ang connectivity ng talong to. And then dito, of course, ang IP configuration na to would be, ayan, sarili niya, 1.2, and then gateway, as I told you earlier, maging gateway niya is ito. Okay, so static muna tayo. Okay? So, dito naman, para mas madali, huwag na tayong gumamit ng CLI, no? Dito sa configuration, punta tayo dito sa static. Yan, under siya ng routing. Ayan, static. So, basically, dito nag-input ka lang ng mga IP. So, dahil dito, ayan siya. Naka-connect na to. Okay. So, actually, huwag muna natin palalaktawin. Punta muna tayo dito. Kailangan muna pala natin lagyan to ng IP address din. So, ang IP address natin for dito is 11.0.0.1. Yung subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. No? Dito. Bakit 255.0? That's because of the IP address, no? Sa first octet is 11, kaya 255.0.0.0. I'm sure matatakil din naman bakit ganyan siya. Okay? So, ayan, dahil na-declare na natin yan, same thing dito, no? Bago natin sila ipag-connect, you need to do all of those muna. So, dito naman, this case, kay FA00, 2.1 siya. It's basically the same thing, no? So, kay SA20, ayan siya. Then, K30, kasi may kabila. Okay? Kung ganun lang din. Dito naman, 3.1. You just need to declare na all of it, no? So, dito, 0.2. CSA30. Okay? So, that basically sums kung paano i-configure muna dito sa part na to bago tayo mag-router to router. Okay? Unahan niya yung mga to. Okay? So, again, ayan. FA00. Unahin nyo kay FA00, which is dito sa config. Okay? Yun siya. So, 192.168.1.1. Ayan. This part. Then, SE20. Ito siya. Okay, 11.0.0.1. Okay. Then, this one. Again, FA00 ulit. This part. No? Configure nyo siya. Establish that connectivity. Okay. Dito naman sa part na to, SA20. Then, SA30. Yun siya. Then, this one, we have here, yan, connected. I-connect muna natin siya dito. And then, lastly, dito. Okay? So, dahil meron na silang mga IP address, no? Ayan na, itong mga to. Connected na sila. Now, we can connect them to each other. So, how do we do that? No? So, punta muna tayo sa static. Ngayon, kung gusto kong i-connect, ito, dito. Yan, dito. Dito. Kasi gusto kong mag-usap ito, tsaka ito, diba? So, I need to connect this dito. Particularly in this IP address. So, what I need to do now is dito, 192.168. Pangalan ng IP address. Ay, pangalan tuloy. Ang IP address dito. Okay, so 2. So, imbes na 2.1 ang ilalagay ko, 2.0 ang ilalagay ko. Okay? Bakit? Ewan ko sa kanya. Ganun gusto niya. No? So, subnet mask for 192, tandaan nyo, 192, would be 255.255.255.0. And then, ang next hop natin, kung saan siya papasok, susunod. That would be, anong IP address? Ito. So, next hop would be 11.0.0.2. Okay, which is, in-input ko na kanina, that would be this. No? So, 192.168.2.0 via 11.0.0.2, which is this one. Okay? So, kunyari, ayan, dahil tapos na natin i-configure na, pumasok ko dito. No? Next thing is, ang sarili naman niya. So, that would be, of course, 11.0.0.0. Again, always remember na that is, nagiging 0 talaga yung pinaka-last na octet kapag nag-routing tayo. Okay? So, subnet mask would be 255.0.0.0. Then, next hop would be ito. Okay? So, dahil nagawa na natin tong dalawa na to, ayan, next thing that we'll do naman is gawin natin yung kabila, of course. So, dito naman, static, gusto ko siyang i-connect dito. and then dito. Okay? But, before we do that, no, para hindi na maulit yung kanina, no, unahin natin na i-connect natin siya dito, and then dito. Okay? So, that would be 11.0.0.0. Okay? Subnet mask 255.0.0.0. And the next hop would be not this one, but this. Okay? So, next hop would be 11.0.0.1, which is this. Yun siya. Okay? Then next, palitan lang natin. Dahil gusto ko na siyang i-connect dito, that would be 192.168.1.0. Okay? Then subnet mask would be 255.255.0. The next hop would be 11.0.0.1. Okay. So, yan. So, dahil natapos na natin to, na we can ensure connectivity na with the two. Okay? Kaya gumawa din ako ng video so you can kinda like ulitin, no? Kapag mayroon kayong nakalimutan. Okay. Okay. So, meron na siyang connection. Okay, kita nyo naman. Okay. Ping natin. Ping 192.168.2.2. Okay, kita nyo naman. Nagpiping siya ng maayos. Na? Okay. So, now that we have connected these two, now, how do we connect naman? No? Ay, ito naman dalawa. Then, mamaya, yung tatlo na. So, may process yan. So, static, again, ito, kukonect ko siya dito. It would be, yan. So, first step, again, we need to connect this dito. Okay, so, that would be 12.0.0.0. The subnet mask would be 255.0.0.0. And the next hop would be this. Okay, so 12.0.0.2. Okay, para mag-connect itong dalawa. So, mauuna yan. Then, just click add. Then, another. Excuse. So, dahil gusto ko na siyang i-connect dito, no? Dito sa 192.168.3.1, no? This, no? Which is gateway nito. I just need to do na 192.168.3.0. Okay, and then palitan natin ang subnet mask that would be 255.255.255.0. And the next hop would be the same, which is 12.0.0.2. And then just click add. So yan, tapos na. And then kabila naman. So again, connect muna siya dito. Okay, that would be 12.0.0.0. The subnet mask 255.0.0.0. The next hop would be kabila. Next hop, isa siya tatalon. Next hop na. So 12.0.0.1. Yes. Which is ito siya. Okay. Okay. So now that we have established connection dito, we just need to connect it naman dito. Excuse. Okay. So, how do we do that? 92.168.2.0. Then we just need to palitan natin yung subnet mask. The next hop would be the same, 12.0.0.1. Kasi dadaan muna siya dito bago dito, diba? Okay? Okay. So, we have established connection within, between the two, no? Ito, tsaka ito, and then ito, tsaka ito. Ang kulang na lang natin ay ito, at tsaka ito. we need to establish connection with the two naman na yung magkalayo. So how do we do that? Unahin natin dito na so dahil may connection na tayo dito and dito, madali na lang yan. Okay? Next thing that we'll do is that we need to establish connection muna dito kay dito. Okay, so how do we do that? Again, dahil dito 12.0 na, so papalitan lang natin 12.0.0.0. The subnet mask would be 255.0.0.0. The next hop, of course, would be this 11.0.0.2. Ayan siya. Okay, so before we can connect here, we need to connect muna dito. Okay, lagi yung tandaan na. So, click add. So, dahil may, ayan, pag na-add nyo na, we have connection na dito. All we need to do now is connect naman dito. So, that would be 192.168.3.0. Then, subnet mask would be 255.255.255.0, and the next hop would be this, still this, okay, 11.0.0.2. okay, dito tayo kay router 1. Okay, so click add. Ayan, meron ng connection dito. Now waiting na lang sa configuration ni router 3. Okay, so hindi lang ito ang dapat i-configure. You also need to configure yung kabila na para magkita sila. Okay, so now that we have configured the router 1, all we need to do now is configure the last router, which is router 3. Na, punta tayo ulit ng static. Ayan. Dahil na, napag-establish na tayong connection dito and then dito, madali na lang. Excuse. Okay, so kagaya dito sa kabila na we just need to connect this dito sa 11.0 na, so that would be 11.0.0.0. The subnet mask would be 255.0.0.0, and the next hop would be 12.0.0.1, which is this. Baliktad naman ngayon. Okay, so dahil need natin mag-establish ng connection dito, we need to, ito naman yung hop natin, and then, ito yung network, okay, which is 11.0.0.0. Lagi nyo tatandaan, 0.0 yung huli, no, kapag nag-routing tayo. Okay, then subnet mask, 255.0.0.0, and then, dahil ayan na, just click add. No? So, right after you click add, mag-add naman natin ito. No? Ito naman yung kailangan natin establish ng connection. So, that would be 192.168.1.0. Then, subnet mask 255.255.0. Then, next hop would be this. Okay? So, 12.0.0.1. Okay? And then just click add. Then right after you click add, meron ng connectivity sa tatlo. Okay, so try natin. Sa una, mag-fail dyan. Ayan. Ulitin natin. So kita nyo naman, meron ng connection ang tatlo. Okay. Okay, IP config tayo. IP config tuloy. Mag-ping tayo, I mean. So, kay 3.2, ipiping ko si 192.168.2.2. And, kita nyo, meron siyang response, no? Si 1.2 naman. Okay. So, as you can see, no, meron ng connectivity ang tatlo na devices through routers, no? Nag-routing tayo. Lalo na nga agad to. Okay? So, if you have like pag nakalimutan nyo, you can rewind the video until you get it. Okay? At least kahit hindi mo siya isisko talaga, you just need to watch the video na magigets mo na. Madali lang naman kasi mag-routing. Okay? So, ayun lang. This is our lesson for the week. Now, unfortunately, I wasn't able to attend the classes that we have this week because nagkaroon ako ng sakit. And then, ayan, ito na lang pambawi ko sa inyo. Okay? So, thank you guys. Ayun lang. Bye-bye.